Hello.
This is Linda from H&H Chevrolet Cadillac here in Shippensburg, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to talk about your keyless entry system. I have an Equinox here in front of me to demonstrate. If you've ever noticed, have you ever wondered what this little button might be for? Cars today have so much technology, sometimes it's hard to keep up. So this keyless entry system actually works with your key fob. It's connected, and anytime you get close to your vehicle, it recognizes that you have your fob on you. If you have your hands full, baby on your hip, need to get him in the car seat, simply just press, hear that click, it opened the door for us without having a key or the fob pushing it. As long as you have it in your pocket, somewhere on you, you are able to have access to your vehicle, and you can put that baby in his car seat and get on your way. So thank you for your time. Once again, my name is Linda, and I'm at H&H Chevrolet Cadillac here in Shippensburg, Pennsylvania. Thank you.